going to put the 1996 Grumman in the water and take it for a ride for one of the last rides of the season, and then he's going to winterize it. But that 25 horsepower Johnson has AMSOIL 2-stroke engine oil in it, and it also has the AMSOIL gear oil in the lower unit. This is where we're going to launch the boat. Boat's out of the water. It was getting a sensor replaced in the engine. So anyways, this 1996 25 horsepower Johnson, it has a lot of hours on it. It's been everywhere and anywhere, and many hours of fishing. I mean, it's not like a boat that you see sitting around all the time, goes out once in the summer. This thing has been well used. And what is that, 40 years now? Be 40 years old. And Dad puts AMSOIL in it. So we're going to take it out for a spin and I'll show you how it runs. AMSOIL runs on freedom, and so do we at atboil.ca. Run with us. Well, looks like his mechanic fixed the motor, put the new sensor in. What was happening is it would shut off or it would run, like it would chug. And we had a hard time figuring out what it was. And there's a sensor on it, and when that sensor goes, that causes the engine to act like that. There's many reasons the engine would act like that. It could be overheating too, and it would cause itself to limp like that. But this was just a sensor. Like I said, the engine will be 40 years old next year, and it runs top notch. And the AMSOIL gear oil and the 2-stroke motor oil is working great in this engine. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.